What I feel like expressing is that I am always amazed at what I get out of these quarterly planning meetings with Steve, our action coach. You never know what little nugget's going to pop up when you hear something that's either new or something that you've heard before. And I also want to emphasize the benefit of having other like-minded business owners and managers involved in this process, and learning from all of you is equally beneficial. Thank you.
I want to shout out to my whole team especially, but also to Diane, Lacey, Sean, and Mike, because I think basically every one of these I've been to, you guys have been here too. So that means you guys are super dedicated and committed to growing as a better business. So I know we've gotten a lot, so I'm sure you guys are doing the same. So just shout out to you guys for showing up every quarter with us. And I had a lot of trouble. Normally I'm pretty clear on my goals going into it, but I struggled leading up to this one because, like Chad said, we're a lot going on, and I got a lot of clarity just on what I want to achieve this next quarter and involving my team in it.
So we've been through a number of these, and there's always some new good information, and then some things that we've heard before. But I always have several kind of epiphanies or things that just kind of come to me. So that's always nice, getting the time to step away and just focus on the business, especially for myself and probably the team here. This past month has been just a lot of things. So, and it's just nice to take a step away, focus on what our goals are, and kind of get back after it. So extremely beneficial. Thank you, Steve.